Strong performance is what turbochargers promise, but when the internal wastegate malfunctions, that power becomes problematic. One essential part located under the hood of cars with turbochargers is the turbo wastegate. It controls the maximum turbocharger turbine speed, which controls the total amount of boost produced. This significantly lowers the possibility of an overboost condition occurring in the forced induction system of an engine. Pressurized air is directed into an engine's intake tract using a turbocharger, which spins a specialized turbine wheel with exhaust energy generated during combustion. When more fuel is dosed into each cylinder, the oxygen-dense intake air is perfect for creating a more volatile combustion. Under certain circumstances, a wastegate diverts excess exhaust energy from an engine's turbo to control the speeds of turbocharger turbine. To put it simply, a turbocharger's matching wastegate effectively limits the maximum energy acting upon the control exhaust side of the impeller shaft, which in turn regulates peak boost pressures. Depending on the application, turbo wastegates can have an external or internal arrangement. They are available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Nevertheless, the majority of turbocharger wastegates have a spring diaphragm system that is activated by pressurized air that is dispersed via a connected sensing line. In this video, we're going to be talking about the typical symptoms of turbocharger wastegate failure, the causes of this issue, and how much it's going to cost to repair or replace your wastegate. But just before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Lack of sufficient boost. Exhaust gases are emptied instead of passing through the exhaust side of an engine's turbo when a wastegate on a turbo is stuck open. Consequently, boost pressures are significantly decreased. Erratic boost pressures. A turbo wastegate stuck closed increases the risk of an engine overboost. Consequently, irregular or elevated boost pressure gauge readings are frequently observed. If this issue is not fixed right away, serious engine damage may occur. Reduced fuel economy. Furthermore, excessive fuel will be burned to reach the desired engine output when a wastegate is stuck open. However, due to inadequate intake air delivery, this desired level of output will never be reached. Illuminated check engine light. The check engine light on a car will typically illuminate due to wastegate-related problems. This is caused by the fact that an engine cannot operate at the desired manifold pressures. To help determine whether the problem is a wastegate, one should use an OBD2 scan tool to find out which specific diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, have been stored by the vehicle's ECM. A few examples of codes related to a wastegate include P0234, 0243, 44, 45, and P0250. Causes of turbo wastegate problems. Several underlying problems can lead to turbo wastegate failure, some of which are difficult to identify. Nonetheless, when trying to stop wastegate failures from happening again, understanding how to handle such problems can be crucial. Here are a few of the most typical reasons why turbo wastegate failure occurs. Carbon buildup. Carbon fouling may occasionally fail a wastegate. Bypassing frequently occurs when the internal diaphragm of a wastegate becomes contaminated by carbon produced by exhaust. In the worst-case scenario, this carbon contamination may even burst the internal diaphragm of a wastegate. Weak actuator spring. The normal aging of the actuator springs in a turbo wastegate can also cause it to fail. When this happens, erratic boost pressures may result from a wastegate suddenly venting. Misadjustment. Both external and internal wastegates may occasionally need to be adjusted. The process for achieving this differs depending on the wastegate configuration. Many operational anomalies can result from a wastegate that is not adjusted correctly. Replacement and repair cost. The price of replacing or repairing a turbocharger wastegate varies greatly depending on the type of car. The primary cause is the ease with which certain external wastegates can be fixed compared to their internal equivalents. It can be challenging to estimate wastegate repair or replacement costs simply because of this. In general, the cost to have the wastegate and turbocharger on your car repaired or replaced should be between $200 and $600. But if the turbocharger needs to be replaced due to the wastegate failing, the cost effectively soars, frequently reaching $2,000 or higher. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.